the right answer for this is y equals 1/2 x. You could write plus 0 there, or not. Which, by the way, huh?
Can you write -0?
Can you write what?
Can you write -0?
Sure.
Just wondering if that-
There's no real difference. So, plus 0, minus 0, same thing. I probably shouldn't have made I'm going to change that for my later classes now that I'm realizing it. I shouldn't have made the other example also a b equals 0, because they're not always 0, and it somehow seems like it is now that I've given you two like that, so just be warned that it won't be that way in your homework. Talk to your partner right now and decide if you'd like to come up here and show us how you did it. You can do 2 out of 3. You can do 2 out of 3 or all 3 of you. Your call. What do you guys do? Get it right? Y equals 1/2 x. Where did you get to? So just a step 3, and either rewrite the equation with the others and write y equals an x plus b. And then in the slope, you're gonna write 1/2.
Just how else?
So y equals. Yeah, we keep it as an x and a y. The stuff you plugged in was just to help you that one time. And then it would be plus 0. Or not putting anything. So that's the right answer. Talk to your partner, decide if you want to come up here. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Okay. All right, who's interested in coming up? Oh, is it just me today? I'm doing it? Are we not, nobody's in the mood? Or are you guys in the mood and I didn't give you enough time? No? Okay. All right, well, let's just write it out really fast. So it's y equals mx plus b. First step is to plug in the slope, y equals 1/2 x plus b. And then I'm going to plug in my points, which in this case, here's my x, here's my y, so it should have been 2 equals 1/2 times 4 plus b. So that's 2 equals 2 plus b, minus 2 minus 2, b equals 0. So my final answer is y equals 1/2 x. You could write plus 0 or just y equals 1/2 x. How should I change it for my next class? What if I change this 4 to a 6? Then what would it be?
It'd be 1 equals b.
Right, and then it would be -1. Okay, I'm going to do that really quick over here. I'm going to do an alternate one. You do not have to write this down unless you want to, because it is an example of something having a slope or having a y-intercept that is not 0. So this would be y equals mx plus b. And then what? Y equals still 1/2 x plus b. And then 2 equals 1/2 times 6 plus b. 2 equals 3 plus b. And then you said it would be -1, which it is. So my final answer would be y equals 1/2 x. You could just write -1, or you could write plus a -1. Yeah, I think that's a better example. What do you guys think? Okay. All right, everybody write down. The homework is page 291. Numbers. We're going to do 2 through 5. And 13 through 18. But here's the deal. Remember how I said this was just day 1 of the notes? This is the only stuff you can do right now. So this assignment won't be due until Friday. Tomorrow we'll be doing post-it partners and having a work day on this 2 through 5. And then on Thursday, I'm thrown off because it's not Monday today, right? It's Tuesday. So tomorrow's post-it partners and working on this 2 through 5. Thursday, I'll teach you the second half of the lesson, which is how to make a line through 2 points. And then we'll have a work day, then the whole thing will be due on Friday. Sound good? Okay, all right. So you can get started on that 291 right now, numbers 2 through 5.